Hi everyone. So today's video, it's going to sound like a bit of an instructional video, but something I've been struggling with recently is the concept of how do you put a countdown timer onto your slides? Because I saw my mentor do this on his slides, and he always had a countdown timer just before the event started. And I'm like, I want to be able to do that. That is really, really cool. So letting people know how much time they've got left before the event starts. Or even if you wanted to put a countdown timer on the break time to let people know how much longer they've got to go on their break, so to speak. And if you're a trainer, presenter, coach, facilitator, mentor, or anyone that runs events, you want to be able to let your audience know how much longer they've got in their breaks or when the event's going to start. So I just wanted a quick video on what I've discovered and how you can do it on PowerPoint. So I'm just going to change my screen to bring up my computer screen, and we'll see how we go with that. Alrighty folks, so hopefully you can see my screen here. I'm just going to slide, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to, I've got the home tab here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to the add-ons. I'm going to come over to the add-ons, and I'm just going to click on add-ons. Alright, now when you go into add-ons, what you actually do is you can type in a countdown timer, and so in search add-ons you can type in countdown timer, and the one that I've chosen is called break time. So if I click on break time here, that is actually going to bring up this little dialog box, or whatever we want to call it. And then what you can do is you can actually set it the way that you want to set it. So if you want to have 10 minutes or even 5 minutes or whatever number you want, and then you can just play with it. You can start it and stop it. You can reset it and all of that fun stuff there. So then when you play your session, let me go up to slideshow. Let me go from slide and then from here. And then you can basically start it, and you are off and running, and your audience will see it, which is, so it does take a little bit of fiddling around with the starting and stopping, but you have control around that. So if you want to add a countdown timer to your slides, that's how to do it, folks. Go up to the home tab, go to add-ons, and then click the one that you want, because you get a number of different options. It gives you all these options that you can get from the App Store. But yeah, I just typed in the one, I think it's called break time timer. But anyway, hopefully that's helpful for you if anyone wants to add a countdown timer to their slides, or anything you show to an audience. That's a great, simple way to do it there, folks. Hope you got some value from the video. If you did, like, comment, share, put in a comment. It took me a day and a half to work out how to do it, going from Google, ChatGPT, asking my mentor, going to YouTube, and then in the end, it was just pretty much a 30-second add-on, so to speak. On that note, folks, hope you got some value, and see you on the next one. Bye.